Someone asks question like this: can I invoke a function before it's been defined? What would be the answer for these questions? Yes, PHP allows developers to invoke functions even if the corresponding function definition appears later on the program. This feature is particularly useful for developers who prefer to place their functions at the bottom of a PHP script rather than the top for easy readability. Now we consider functions and classes. Here an example for function and classes. The function invocation is what is today. The function definition of this function is below that function, which prints today's weekday name. Function what is today, open braces, echo within double quotes, today is dot date. The date function is this is the date function, and the close braces, and this is how we open the PHP tag, and this is how we end the PHP tags, and these are line comments. If someone asks question like, can I look inside an object or class to see its structure? Since PHP 5.0 includes a full-fledged reflection API, which lets you peek into a class or object and obtain detailed information on its properties, methods, interfaces, and constants. To use it, instantiate an object of either reflection class or reflection object and pass it the class or object to be extracted. Now we see the reflection for classes. This is the reflection for classes, and this is the reflection for object. Namespaces in C#. A namespace is simply a logical collection of related classes in C#. We bundle our related classes in some named collection, calling it a namespace. Example, data activity. As C# does not allow two classes with the same name to be used in a program, the sole purpose of using namespace is to prevent name conflicts. This may happen when you have a large number of classes, as in the case in the framework class library, which is known as FCL. It is very much possible that our connection class in data activity conflicts with the connection class of internet activity. To avoid this, these classes are made part of their respective namespace. The namespace may contain classes, events, exceptions, delegates, and even other namespaces called internal namespace. Now we see the parent namespace and child namespace within the parent namespace. In this area, you can include any C# coding that is relevant to your program. The using keyword. The using keyword allows us to use the classes in the following system namespace. By doing this, we can now access all the classes defined in the system namespace. Using allows you to access the classes in the reference namespace only and not in its internal child namespaces. Hence, we might need to write using system.collections in order to access the classes defined in collection namespace, which is a sub-internal namespace of system namespace.